as a victim or someone who was once a victim, I see a lot of people fighting these things, and looking at their methods, they've been doing it the wrong way. Today, I'm going to be giving you the perfect solution to getting rid of ticks in your dog. I came with me some product. I brought some products with me. This one here is Anunnaki flea and tick spray. Anunnaki ticks and flea spray by Natural Pet Herbs Company. You can check them up on Instagram and Facebook. Their location is number 9 opposite Folashade Market, Ademowu bus stop, Badagry, Lagos. This is one. This is Amitraz. Amitraz. It comes with Amitraz solution, 12.5%. This is also an Amitraz solution. It has this body. The name of this is Zamitraz, and it has about 12.5% too. And this is what? Fipro Protector. Fipro Protector. Now we have other tablets like Bravecto and so on. But today I'm just going to be working with these products. Now, this one you see here is herb, 100% herb, made in Nigeria by one of us, a dog lover. That was the reason why I had to mention the company who manufactured this one, or the company behind this product. Number 9 Folashade Market. That's their address. I'll put them on the screen. You can check out their website to naturalpetherb.com. Now, this one, all you have to do is spray on them. This one is a spray, it's a repellent. You spray on them. This one is for baiting. You mix. I think something is in this one. You measure this. You measure in this cup, and you pour maybe this cup for 10 liters. This cup now you fill it up for 10 liters. Half of that 20 liters bucket, or you can put 2. Now, one thing you need to do is when you're using this Amitraz, make sure you cover your dog's mouth so that they don't take this thing in. Make sure you safeguard them. Don't put them in their ear, eye, and some of all these sensitive parts. Make sure you dilute it properly so that it won't affect the dog. Now, this one is for spraying. Now, what I do is when I bait this and this one gets dry, definitely this one destroys them. It chases them away. Then I spray this. Now, these ones are for the dogs on their body. There are so many products out there. You get to find. But which one is effective? That's the question. Which one is going to be very effective for my dog? And I present to you Anunnaki 1, Amitraz 2 for baiting. You dilute, bait, wash your dog. And this one is also another spray. It contains fipronil. It's a very, very effective component in fighting ticks and fleas. Trust me, with this, they die. You see them running away from the dog. Now, what about the environment? There are 2 ways to clear the one in the environment. One is through fumigation, and 2 is through abstinence, or let me just say absence of the dog. When the dog stays out of these things for a long time, they lose the contact of the host, because the dog is the host. They lose that contact, and you see them dying off. Or you use Bravecto. Bravecto, when giving, you give is tap. They come in form of tap. You administer to the dog, or you give your dog according to your dog's weight, and you see the ones on the body die, and it stays there for more than 2-3 weeks. So while you're treating the environment, no one, even if the dog is in that environment, no one gets to come on it to survive. You understand? So this is the perfect way to get rid of ticks. Getting a tick and you're matching it or stepping on it or hitting it to get the blood out, it's not the solution. Killing them is not the solution. Picking and throwing away is not the solution. The solution is getting highly effective products. Sorry, this one is old. I just had to go look for this one where I kept it because I needed to make this video. Highly effective products. Highly effective products are the solution to your tick and flea problems. So if you're struggling with ticks, if you're struggling with ticks, you're struggling with fleas, lice on your dogs, the first thing I would like to let you know is what? Get the right products. Get the right product. And I recommend these ones: Amitraz, Fipronil, and Anunnaki flea and tick spray. Get these products for yourself, and then you start applying on them. While you are taking care of the ones on the dog, you're also taking care of the environment, fumigating it. Maybe once a week. And remember, when you fumigate, make sure the dog is kept in a very safe place so they don't take in any of the chemicals, because it can be very detrimental to their health. Ticks are very dangerous. If you have a stud, if you have a dam for breeding, you need to get rid of these parasites, else they are going to ruin your business, your breeding plan and program. So this is the shortest way to get rid of ticks in your dog. One, the right products again. You take care of the baiting. You bait once a week to remove both the eggs that are still on the, because what happens is some of them lay very tiny eggs on your dog's body. So if you see the big ones, you just remove them and you don't deal with those eggs, you see them come up the next week or the next few days. So when you take them up, you bait them with Amitraz. There are other chemicals, but this one is the one I'm recommending. It may not be Amitraz or Zamitraz. It may be something else, but check the percentage of the Amitraz solution. 12.5. If it's more, better. If it's less, make sure it's up to a very good percentage. You get your Fipro protector. It has fipronil in it. How many percent? About 0.25%. Or this is one is 250 ml or 0.625 gram. This one contains purified water, lemongrass oil, which is a repellent, natural essence oil blend, plant-based solubilizer, gentle preservative, and vitamin E. So this one works beyond this one. What I will advise is to wash with this, spray, and then you can also add this. You understand? So these are the products you should use. If you need assistance, if you need the contact of the person distributing this, you can reach out to me. Drop a comment in the comment section and I will help you get link you up with the producers of this product so that you can get a discount. If you'd like to also be a distributor, you're a pet shop owner, or you'd like to be a distributor in your city, you reach out to me and I will link you up with the owner. This one, like I said, very effective. This one, very effective, very effective. So these are the ways you get rid of ticks in your farm. Remember, or in your dog, remember, use the right products. Take care of the ones on the dog and the environment. Then repeat, maintain that routine until everything concerning or related to these ticks are out, until you get rid of them. Then mind how you take your dog, where you take your dog for walks. Mind the type of dogs that visit your dog, or how you introduce your dog to other dogs, the kind of events you go on, and so on. If you're boarding, be careful where you board your dogs. Be very careful. Ask the right questions. And with this, I'm very sure you would not have any reason to complain about ticks anymore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, or you're yet to subscribe to this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. If you have questions, inquiry for me, the comment section is always open. I'll see you next time. Thank you.